In this 6-week online course, you will learn how to make excellent everyday decisions from an experienced counselor and life coach. You'll discover the steps necessary to achieve your goals, as well as the power that ordinary everyday decisions can have over the quality of your life. You'll learn to have empathy in your decision making and learn how to delegate workloads evenly. What are some of these soft skills? You will learn teamwork, get along with others, agreeable, be supportive, collaborative, interpersonal skills, sense of humor, friendly, nurturing, has self-control, patience, social skills, communication, oral speaking capabilities, written, presenting, listening, clear speech and writing, positive attitude, enthusiastic, encouraging, confident. You will learn how to make those best decisions possible when time and information are limited, but you're under a lot of pressure to take action. This course will help you cope with uncertainty and prepare for the unexpected. You'll learn techniques that can help you relax and cope better regardless of what may be happening around you. Have you ever made a mistake? Do you expect that you may someday make another one? If so, then these topics explored in these lessons are important. You'll learn about some of the main reasons people make poor decisions, as well as both healthy and unhealthy ways to respond to your own errors. You'll learn how to recover from mistakes, turning them into opportunities to learn and grow. Throughout this course, you'll use a journal to help you learn about the practice some good decision-making skills. In the final lesson, you'll learn more about the power of journaling. You'll also get some ideas for how to use other very useful decision-making tools, including notes, lists, and diagrams. Finally, you'll get some good ideas about when to consult experts and when to wing it on your own. Many thanks for taking some time out to check out this tutorial. Please feel free to check out my other certification courses I have here as well. Please like, subscribe, comment below on what you're looking to be certified in, and I can send you a link to check out. Please check me out on Facebook, Markie Williams, and my page online certification course I have on there as well. Shout out to Ben Sound for his royalty-free hookups with the music. Please be sure to check out his website, bensound.com, for thousands of beats and music selections to choose from. His link will be down in the description as well. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.